and welcome back. So today's video, customizing your Mac with drive icons and folder icons. So Apple has always been this graphical, viewable kind of interface thing, right? And we all love it, right? Especially us Mac people. I don't know how PC people think. But anyways, I'm kind of in between on Mac and PC in this house. But with the Apple computers, of course, we've been able to customize icons of our drives and folders for years. And even Apple, you know, they did a few different operating systems in the past where we had like a 3D kind of folder and then a center little icon in it and all that sort of jazz, right? And anyway, so of course, you know, in the last while, I've been going through my Mac format CD collection. There's tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of icons from back in the past we can use as well. But there's also websites we can go to. And one of them, of course, is this one called iconarchive.com. And you can go and search by popular stuff in here. And you just click on one of them, like say this one here, and you'll get this sort of thing show up. Now, you don't have to worry about this, you know, get started. That's ads, right? But pick one here, like let's just say we want this one, right? Now what I found was the easiest to use ones was where it says ICNS, and all you do is click on it, and you'll see it's a social media icon, right? And click save to wherever you want it to be saved, okay? There's other category areas like music icons, for example. They've got a fair amount of these here. So if we clicked on this one, we get, hey, look at that, left-handed guitars for us lefty people. I love it. Look, you can have a Strat as an icon. So let's actually grab that Strat. I kind of like that. I think it's cool. So here we go. It's now got, you know, all this different things. It tells us about size and whatnot. But we don't want the PNG file anyway. You could take them for other purposes, but ICNS, and we'll snag that one. So I'm sure you're getting the idea where this is going already. Okay, so I'll have the link in the description below for this website. But there's other websites too you can go to and other places on the internet. So this is just one of them. And they have a ton load in here. Even people icons. You know, some of them are kind of interesting and some of them are kind of really weird. And there's different pages too that you can scroll through on some of these when you open them up as well. You can use any of these for whatever folder or drive icon you want. So, but anyways, so let's go here now that we got that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to simply go up to here. Now you could do a get info this way, but yeah, nothing's going to show except dog ear up here, right? Well, that's fine. We just close that out. Things used to be done that way, but now it's a little bit different. So just click on this. And we're going to select copy, and then we're going to go to my stuff folder, and we're going to go get info, because you have to do a get info. If you go paste, it ain't going to work. So click and make sure that highlights, and hit paste. Boom. Now that's your icon. If you were to simply just go paste item, it's just going to put it into the folder. That's the difference of what it used to be like to now, okay? So we don't want that there anyway. Anyways, now, question is, can you undo this? Well, get info, undo. Nope, it's not going to undo, okay? Once you do it, right? But anyways, so that can go. But you can change it, right? So we want this one here, so we're going to copy. I want the Strat, but I'll do this twice anyways. Get info. And we're going to go paste. That's going to go there. So if we do this one, we can do get info again. Click, paste. Now they're both the same, except one's for my guitar lesson video folder for my students. This one, well, it's just my stuff folder. So I want to kind of actually change that. I have a folder going, I call it icons for Mac. So if we go under stuff, I think we're going to go with the alien head from that movie Aliens. So copy this, get info, click once, and paste. That simple, okay? So you can do this with folders, with hard drives, doesn't matter, right? We want to change Yoda, okay? So I'll do this with a hard drive, right? So get info, and click here, and paste. Now, we haven't done anything else, so can we actually undo this? Well, let's close this off first, then let's go back, right? Because you would have closed it, right? Undo paste. Nope, Yoda is not back. So I want my Yoda. So I'm going to have to get info again. Oh, no, we don't do it that way, remember? We got to click once on the icon, and we got to copy. And then we can go up to my stuff folder. Oh, not one, hard drive. And we're going to get info, and here, and paste. So if you're looking for new ways to customize your Mac, to personalize it more, the way you want things to appear. Now you can do this with removable media as well. So just let's do that to make sure, because I haven't tried this to see if it stays stable or not. Okay, so I want that one actually in my collection. So this is just a 16 gig memory stick, currently blank, sorry. So I want an icon here. I like this guy here. So copy this, and here, and info, and click once here, and we want paste. Okay, so now that's my hard drive icon or USB removable stick icon. So we're going to eject that out of the computer. Okay, and then we'll put it back in and see if it still shows, and it should show. And it does. It's going to show because if you can turn off your Mac and what you did with your internal and external main hard drives, or SSDs for the politically correct children out there, then yeah, you can do it with any of the USB sticks, which is kind of fun. You know, Mac people like to customize, like to have it more the way they like it. Something that the Windows world kind of lacks, you know, is the creativity aspect of things. You know, and you're not chewing up, you know, any resources for this or memory. All you're doing is changing the appearance of the folder icon. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much about what we got for this one. Now, if you want to take that back, in this case, we know we can't remove it conventionally, right? So let's take our disk utility, and we should be able to just go to the 16 gig and erase it, and just hit erase. And it should put the folder icon back the way it was. And that's exactly what it did. So, anyways, while we're still talking, a little experiment. I'll have to actually tell you about it instead of showing you on screen. I'm going to fire up my PC because I want to see if the PC can actually do that, because that drive is formatted under exFAT. But we know that Windows 11 has some nice new little icons, which is kind of cool as far as how they're presenting things. But can we get creative with a PC? So let's try that. All right. So we've got our 16 gig back again with the little face. And we're going to slam this into my Windows computer. And we'll see what kind of icon it gives us. And File Explorer. This PC. Nope, the PC will not show your custom icon. Not going to happen. So, Windows computers are still behind the times by decades. No big surprise there though. And we're back on the Mac side with it. So we're all good to go. So do check that out. Check out the website. Like I said, there's many other places. You can just Google, custom icons or whatever, or custom icons for Apple or for Macintosh. But you do have that one website link. I'm going to search out more links to different types of, icons and see what's out there. Plus, like I said, go through your Mac format CDs. If you have those still, I have a vast collection of them that have literally thousands upon thousands of icons where we can customize even any of our folders in our drives, any of them. So it doesn't matter. I have some stuff on the desktop here, but you can do folders, you can do your hard drives, your SSD drives, your USB sticks, customize them whichever way you want. Just remember, whenever you format one of those drives, it is going to take away the picture at that time, so that's something to keep in mind. So I'm keeping a collection called Icons for Mac folder on my desktop here for now. Once it gets jammed full of a lot of stuff that I really super like, then of course I'm going to also save that into one of my drives, so I have a collection of just my favorites. But yeah, other than that, I think that pretty much covers this video. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos and we'll see what happens next. So see you in the next one.